guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this makeup look right here. It is a simple but bomb makeup look. Honestly, I didn't even use that many products and they're pretty much all the same from all my videos. So if you guys are interested to getting this look, then just keep on watching. So for my face, I have already moisturized it. So to prep it, I'm going to start with my moisturizer once again. I'm going with my Hangover moisturizer. Then I'm going to go in with my Clinique Prep Start. And I'm going to put this just right here and right there. I used to use this like repeatedly with my makeup. And then I just stopped. I have no idea why. But I was like, hey, I should give it another try. I really liked it. I just don't know why I even stopped using it. Beats me. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is going in with my primer. This is the Hangover. Okay, so I'm going in with my e.l.f. pencil. I'm going to carve out my eyebrows using my Tarte Shade Tape in the color Medium. And this little brush right here. This is actually from a paint set on Amazon. So I'm going to carve those out first. There's one. Let's do the other. So now that the brows are carved, I'm going to put concealer on my eyelid. And I'm going to blend that concealer out with my Morphe M173 brush. So the next thing is I'm going to go in with my foundation, and I'm actually going to use my NARS foundation today. I just put it on the back of my hand. And going back with that same little brush, I'm going to grab some foundation and clean up the top of my eyebrows. And I'm going to blend that in with that same M173 brush. And bring that into the middle as well. So now with just a big flat brush like this one, I'm going to grab the rest of my foundation and just apply it all over my face. And I'm going to blend that out with my Real Techniques extra large beauty blender. This foundation is my favorite. I'm not even gonna lie. It's my favorite high-end foundation. I absolutely love it. I don't think I'll ever fall in love with another foundation. I feel like it's good for all skin types because my cousin has pretty dry skin and she loves this foundation. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. So the concealer that I've been loving is the L'Oreal Infallible for Wear. I'm going to go down the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, my chin, my forehead area here, then underneath my eyes, I'm going to use that same little blending brush. My cupid's bow. And then same for right here on my forehead. And then just for up here, I do use the Beauty Blender. Well, for everything else, I'm going to use the Beauty Blender as well. A little trick that I like to do is I like to kind of perk up my cheeks and then make sure I put concealer on the high points of my cheeks. It's going to make me look a little bit more awake and puffed up. And then my chin area. I'm going to do a little something that I never do is I am going to contour my nose and my cheeks using, this is from Wet n Wild Makeup Stick Contour Stick. Just a little, I mean not a lot. It's not like that much darker. And just a little bit on my forehead. Okay, nice. I'm going to use this brush right here. I have no idea where I got it from. I've had it for a really long time. But I am going to blend that little contour out. The reason why I didn't do like a really, really harsh contour is because I like to use powder contour better. But I was like, hey, why not? I mean, let's use this a little bit. I have never done it on myself. I've done it on clients, but not on myself. I don't really like to cream contour. I don't know what it is. All the cream on my face. Me da cosa. Then I'm going to use this a little one for BH Cosmetics to do my nails. And then I just like to grab a beauty blender, just kind of blend that all out, make sure it's all blended out. First, I am going to set my concealer, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution powder. Hi, Papi. ¿Qué, mi amor? Mira, estoy grabando. Cuidado con los cables.
¿Qué es ese?
Soy yo.
¿Soy yo?
Okay, I'm gonna set. Oh.
¿Qué está pintando?
Mi cara.
Ese.
Pestañas. So then I'm going to set my whole face with my MAC Studio Fix powder in NC40 and just a really big fluffy brush. Using my M452 brush, I'm going to grab that same powder for my whole face, and I'm just going to set my eyes. What? I'm going to set my eyelids. Using my Hoola Benifit little powder. And then just a fluffy blush brush like this one. I'm going to cut my little contour. And I like to bring it up. To take off the powder, I use this brush right here from BH Cosmetics. And I'm just going to take away all the powder besides the one from my cheek belt. Why can't I talk today? I'm going to take all my powder away besides the one from my contour. I'm going to be using my Morphe M532 brush and then that same Hoola bronzer. And I'm going to wipe this off. Grabbing that blush brush again. Just to kind of blend in that contour we just did. I think I'm going to be using this one right here. And this is from the Morphe 18T palette. For the brush, I'm going to use the Morphe M433 brush. So it looks like this. And with this, all I'm going to do is I kind of just want to create like a wing, but not like a perfect wing, if that makes sense. I just wanted to add color. So you're kind of just, you're blurring the color out, is basically what you're doing. I'm going to grab that same brush, the M452 brush, and I'm going to blend this part out a little bit more. Then to set my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. gel. So I'm going to put on my mascara. I'm going to curl my lashes now. So you guys, I was thinking of making a video in Spanish, because a lot of people tell me, can you make a video in Spanish? And I'm like, I can, but should I? Okay, so after curling my lashes, I'm going to pop on my falsies, and these are from Cara Beauty Fabulous Lashes, and they're in the style A3. Oh, before I pop my lashes on, I'm going to set my whole face with my MAC Fix Plus. It's almost gone. When I tell you guys, I literally showered myself in this. Hace cuenta. I'm going to use Strip Down by MAC today. I haven't used it in a long time, and this is my baby. Oh, no, actually, I'm going to put my highlighter on first. I just stabbed it. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Highlighter in Mega Glow. Then wet my Morphe. What is this? Morphe M510 brush. I'm going to wet it a little bit. Grab some of that highlighter. Put on the high points of your cheekbones. And then I also put on like a little part right here for when I smile. It's like glowy. And then Cupid's bow. I don't know why I've been putting it there lately, but I have. I'm going to pop my lashes on because I think they're ready. Look at how bomb these lashes are. Oh my God, these are bomb. Okay, lashes. Okay, going back to my highlighter. To do my nose highlight, I'm going to use my Morphe M431 brush and that same highlighter. And this is just a little tiny detail brush. And we are going to go tip of my nose, then down the bridge of my nose. Then I'm going to do it on the inner corner of my eye. And then for my lips, I'm going to go in with a Strip Down by MAC. I'm going to put some gloss on, and this is the Fenty Beauty gloss, and I have no idea what color, but it's this one. I love this gloss. So we are completely done with the makeup. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification button so you get notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.